Hello dear students, today we are going to do next topic of straight lines as we have done in the previous class, the equation of straight lines in the different forms. So this thing I have taught you earlier also, equation of a line passing through a point and its slope is given. Equation of a line passing through a point and its slope is given to us. This is the line, it is passing through a given point. That is, we are saying x1, y1, and its slope m is given. A point, general point, we are always supposing as x, y on the line. So for this particular condition, we are going to calculate the equation of this line. So slope of the line, slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now slope m can be written as y2, I am saying y, minus y1 is y1 itself, upon x minus x1. So now we are going to calculate, this equation will be y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. This is the equation of line passing through a point and slope m is given. For example, I am giving you one example. If in case we have been given m as slope as 2 and the point is given to us as 3, 0. We are going to calculate this equation. So y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. This will be said as x1, y1. So it will be y minus y1, that is 0, equals to m x minus x1. x1 is 3. So it will be y is equals to 2x minus 6. Or I could write 2x minus y minus 6 equals to 0. This is the equation of a line passing through a given point, that is 3, 0, and its slope m is given to us, that is 2. So like this way we could calculate the equation of a line passing through a point. Now we are going for the next topic. This is equation of line passing through two given points. Equation of line passing through two given points. Now two given points condition is, this is the line. It is passing from two different points. First is x1, y1. Next point is x2, y2. And a general point lies on this line. I am saying that as x, y, a, b, p. So 2-point form now we are going to calculate. So slope m for this line in all the conditions will remain same. Like slope of AB will be equals to slope of AP. Now slope can be calculated as, for AB, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to, slope of this will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1. With cross multiply, what I will be getting? Y minus y1 equal to, this will be going on the other side, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. This will be the equation of line passing through two different points. Try to notice this is m itself. So only we are going to put the value of m in the equation point slope form. Now if a question is given to us in this situation, like the point now is 2, 3 and 3 minus 1. In this case we are going to calculate the equation of line. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Let us put them into the equation. So y minus y1, and the y1 is 3, is equals to y2 minus y1 means minus 1 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 2, x minus x1, that is 2. So y minus 3 is equals to minus 4 upon 1, x minus 2. With cross multiply, we can simplify it in the best way. Y minus 3 is equals to minus 4x plus 8. I could write it y plus 4x equals to 11. Is the equation of the line passing through two given points. Now we are going to do the next form of equation of the line. This is the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form means its slope is given, that is m, and a point on the y-axis is given, that is y-intercept is given. Line is cutting the y-axis at a distance c. So the coordinates of this point will be 0, c. Now we need to calculate the equation of this line. So this line will be having equation. We know that slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Try to see m is equals to y2 is y minus y1 is c upon x2 is x minus x1 is 0. So with cross multiply, mx equals to y minus c, or I could write y is equals to mx plus c. This is the equation of line in the slope intercept form. In the slope intercept form, y equals to mx plus c. This is the most common equation of the line. Now if in case we have been given slope m is equals to 5 and y-intercept is at a distance 2 units, that is the point will be 0, 2. So the equation of line will be y is equals to m. M is 5. 5x plus c. C is 2. So the equation of line will be y is equals to 5x plus 2. This is the equation in the slope intercept form. Next form is intercept form. The line is cutting both the axes. On x-axis its distance is a units. On x-axis it is cutting at a distance of a units, and on the y-axis, on the x-axis, and it is on the y-axis it is cutting at a distance of b units. So the coordinates of this point will be a, 0, and coordinates of this point will be 0, b. So now these are the two given points. We are going to calculate the equation of this line. So 2 points condition, I am going to make the equation of line passing through 2 points is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. Now I could say x1 y1 x2 y2. So let us put these values into the equation. Y minus y1, that is 0, is equals to y2 b minus y1 0 upon x2 0 minus x1 a, x minus x1, that is a. So it will be y is equals to b upon a with negative sign, x minus a. With cross multiply, ay equals to minus bx plus ab. I could also write it bx plus ay equals to ab. I am dividing both the sides. I am dividing both the sides with ab. So it will be ab, ab, and ab. This will be x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. This is the equation of the line in the slope intercept form. For example, again I am taking, if x-intercept is 3 units, y-intercept is 2 units, in this case equation of line will be x upon 3 plus y upon 2 equals to 1. So this will be the equation of line in the intercept form. Like this way we could solve the questions. Rest of the things we will study in the next class. So till the time, good luck, bye bye, be safe at home, good luck.